Hello, my friends. How are all of you? Today we are going on a short tour around Miri Central Park. If you are visiting Miri, this is one of the places that you should come and visit. At the moment, you can see that all the families here have brought their pet dogs here. You can see lots of dogs. Today seems to be a good day. It's quite cloudy and not so hot. You can bring your family here for exercise, for a family day. You can bring your pet cats, pet dogs, and other pets if you want. These puppies here are up for adoption. Here in front of us is the Miri City Hall. You can go to the 10th floor after 5 p.m. To look at the scenery around Miri, high up. It is free of charge, but you need to go to the security area and write your name down before you proceed to the 10th floor. One of the best things that I think you can do if you're here is just sit here and enjoy the view of the sea and the waves pounding on the shore. Some of the families here also brought their kites and fly around here, so you can see some of the kites if you're here. This park is quite clean, so if you're here, do take care and make sure that if there's any rubbish, bring it to the nearest garbage and throw it. One of the things here you can enjoy is the wave. The sound of the wave is quite a nice thing to be listening to, especially after a stressful day. And this here is a jogging path also. Let's go for a short walk around the pathway here. You can see there's two huge dogs. One is a German Shepherd. There is one huge German Shepherd. Is it safe to walk around here or do exercises? The answer is definitely yes. But one of the things to be careful is if you park your car somewhere beside here, just don't put anything valuable in any area where it can be seen. There have been cases where windows have been smashed to get the valuable items. This is the Miri City Hall. It is one of the best looking buildings here in Miri. Miri's main mascot is the seahorse, or you can see the seahorse around Miri. Okay, so this is the end of the tour. Thank you for watching. Do come to Central Park if you have a chance to visit Miri Sarawak here. Safe and nice place to visit.